Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a birthday haul. My birthday was on May the 6th. I just turned 36. Some stuff on Amazon, so I'm going to share that stuff with you first. I'm going to share some gifts that my mom gifted me as well. This isn't a large haul by any means, but I still wanted to share it with you guys because you're going to be seeing some of this stuff in videos. So let's just jump right in. The first item that I picked up is an eyeshadow palette from Glazed. And this is the Reversal Planet palette. I first saw this palette on Temu because Temu does a lot of like knockoff kind of things. I started doing a little bit more research and turns out that Temu does sell real beauty glazed items. The palette was $15 on Temu. So I went to searching and I found it on Amazon for under $10, right at under $10. Apparently this palette's been out for a couple years, but they do still have it in their lineup and they're still selling it. It's one of their more top rated palettes. Absolutely stunning color story, great price, super pigmented. I've already been playing with this. I have a couple looks already. I'll share them with you. Oh, and also I want to throw in, if you plan on, let me zoom out of it. And I want to say that if you buy this from Amazon, don't expect it to come in bubble wrap. It literally comes, and if you order multiple things, we ordered a power station and a little cooking hot plate. It literally came in that box with the very heavy stuff, unprotected. Honestly, I'm really lucky that it came in one piece. I can also see, I just want to point out, like, this should have been bubble wrapped. It came straight from Beauty Glazed, but through Amazon. Shadow here is bulging a little. The packaging is kind of like, looks like it's been kind of smashed a little in some of the cardboard spots right here. Either way, I'm glad it come to me kind of unharmed. It's not going to be packaged great. Okay, so order at your own risk through Amazon. I don't know how it comes shipped through Beauty Glaze themselves or even Temu. So all that aside, isn't the color story absolutely amazing? You have lots of warm shades in here. You have some cool tone shades in here. There's 4 pressed glitters. There's some bright shades. I loved this color story right here. Like, I done a full look using these, a very spring look. I loved it. I did a monochromatic pink look, and of course you're going to see this haul before you see those videos, because this is so pigmented, so creamy. The shades blend out so seamlessly into one another. It's pretty good quality for what it is, and I love that it has the jewel tones in here. Very, very top notch in my opinion for the price and the brand. So moving on, I definitely highly recommend this palette already. I can tell you that right now. Got some new kbshimmer polishes. I only actually own one prior to this. Had to have a couple shades from the Northern Exposure line, and then this one is just a reflective glitter polish. I'm not sure what line it's from, or release I should say, but these are from Northern Exposure. I love my multi-chromes. Very adorable packaging. These come very well packaged in the mail. They are tissue wrapped with a beautiful purple. They come in a holographic bubble mailer, and if you're a new customer and it's your first time ordering, they put in like a card of explaining application process and how to apply them, because the multi-chromes usually apply really, well, they're sheer formulas, and the more you layer, the more the effect, it helps the effect. Almost all of the multi-chromes that I've ever used, ever tried, own in my collection now are sheer. We'll start with the reflective glitter. This is kbshimmer is easily becoming one of my new favorite indie boutique kind of nail polish brand. They're amazing, amazing. So this is Self-Reflection. And it's a reflective glitter. It's unlike any I've seen before. It's like silver gold. It's got an orange flash to it. It's absolutely stunning, and you see the silver reflective glitters. There's holographic glitters in here too, so the flash hits it and it looks so magical. But not only does it do this like silvery blowback, but it's got this blue hue in it too. And you see all them shimmery holographic and orange flash. The camera has trouble focusing on this. Oh my goodness, I don't know how else to describe this, but it's magical. The prettiest reflective glitter I own now. These polishes range from $11 to $12. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them on kbshimmer, you can get them on other websites. The Amazon shipping with these are pretty reasonable. It's $4. So now for the Northern Exposure. This one is called Yes We Crayon. And it's this shimmery chrome pink. The shimmeriness for these polishes are top notch. So on the nail, you'll see the pink, and there'll be like a line, an outline of like purple around like in your cuticles on the side. It's just like pink, purple. As you can see, the orange is very vibrant right now. That's what drew me to this, like pink, reddish to orange hue. I love polishes like that. I'm such a sucker for them. Other extreme angles and shaded, you'll be able to see green and gold. Oh my goodness, so very stunning. They dry fairly quickly, they layer easily and build up, last a long time on your nails. I wore all these. They're oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. The last KB shimmer I picked up is Paired Up. This one is a purple holographic multi-chrome nail polish. Not only is it gorgeous and purple, but it flashes pink. Okay, and in more extreme angles on your nails, you're going to see the green and the gold. And in the shade, it's gonna look different. I mean, it's just stunning as well. See, you kind of can see a lot of the colors more in the shade. And also, if you want to see all the shades of these polishes, if you own multi-chromes, you can stick your hand in like some water while it's running, or just underwater in general, and it will kind of show all the colors you're going to see in this polish. Yeah. These, to me, the multi-chromes are almost always really the prettiest in the shade, because you see most of the shade, or you see most of the polish color in the shade. They're gorgeous. Now I'm going to share with you, oh, before I forget, this is actually my second time filming this haul, and the first time I filmed it, the neighbor was weed eating, mowing, and then I forgot to share with you, I did get some Pioneer Woman stove burner covers. They're one of my favorite prints. I'm in love with them. I love them. They're gorgeous, of course. They're Pioneer Woman. So moving on to the gifts my mom gave me. Speaking of Pioneer Woman, my mom got me a Pioneer Woman purse. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's got embroidered flowers on it. It is a tan purse and leather. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Mom, for all of my amazing, beautiful, thoughtful gifts. Thank you. She gave me some jewelry. This is beautiful beaded necklace. Look how pretty this is. It's gonna be pretty for fall and summer. It's gorgeous. And then some more jewelry. I like the box of this one. It's pretty neat. And I haven't put it together yet, but there's a chain and the little pendant there. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's like this purple, but then like in different angles you can kind of see like shoots of like green and stuff. So pretty. And the last thing has so much meaning, and I love it so very much. Thank you, Mom. I love you. And I love this. She got me these handmade glass jewelry earrings. And they look like that. They're angel wings. And she got these for me, she said, and every time I wear them and look at them, I will think of Nanny. And I love that. And it says, "May angels watch over you." And they're glass and they have rhinestones in them, and I absolutely love them. And I surely will think of Nanny every time I wear these. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. And that is all for my birthday haul. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.